Uh, good morning, sir, and good morning, everyone. First of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity to talk about myself. My name is Purba Dash. I am coming from Bagnan. So now I want to share a topic that is one incident in my life. So it was 2017 or 18. So on that day, we live in our old home. So Uh, suddenly, one day my father came to my grandmother and tell her that I want to build a new home for us. And what is your opinion? So my grandmother agreed with him, and the next day my father came to. My father have two sisters and মানে ছোট বোন যে the younger sister was is not alive now, so I don't know how she die. Yeah. Only one son. So the next day my father went to a mistri local mason. Acha, local mason. And then he went to a engineer. So uh, in that day at evening, the engineer came to our house, and they did all necessary things like uh, draw our rooms model and house models also. So yeah. After that day our হোম মানে আমার পুরো বাড়িটা ভাঙা হচ্ছিল was being destroyed for build a new house. So our new house was done at uh, in 2020 or that moment. I currently don't remember the time. So uh, one day at night, it was 7 or 8 p.m. My father came to our home, and some other people, some unknown person was came with my father, and they are উম, মানে ওই যে কি বলে ওটাকে, মানে ওভেনের ওপরে যে লাগায় ওটাকে কি বলে, চিমনি, ওটাকে ইংলিশে কিচেন চিমনি. So they are the serviceman. Yeah, they are the sailor of chimney. So they came to our home and started মানে লাগানো started adjusting the chimney. And when they were completed their work, they trying to leave our home. But in that time my mother মানে আটকানো stopped them and offered them some sweets or some cold drinks as a formality. But I don't like it because at first, I think at first it have to come to me, but yeah. So then they eat. Firstly, they told denied to take, but yeah, but after that they ate all the sweets. Sometimes later I came out from my room, and there was one boy. That was uncle. There was an uncle. He told me to give him our number, because when we need to service our chimney, we should call them. So I gave him our number, and then 6 months or 7 months later, they call us. uh, it about at afternoon they call us and told some basic things like we went your home at that date and my name is that. So and that time my father did not present in our home. So I tell them that when my father came to our house I will inform you. So when my father came to our house I did the same and my father called them and the next day they come to our house and again the same things was told by them and না মানে ওই একই রকম চলছিল ওই মিষ্টি দেওয়ার ব্যাপারটা going on. Then there was one boy. He is মানে নতুন আর কি newcomer. Yeah, he is newcomer. Just when he came to our house, just look at my face. At that time I was staring at me. So I was feeling embarrassed. Yeah, embarrassed. So I went to my room, but he did a mistake that he told to my father that who is this girl. Yeah, the boy said to my father, who is this girl. So my father didn't reply anything. Um, from that uncle um, he মানে নেওয়া he took the number from this uncle which I give him মানে আমি যাকে নাম্বার দিয়েছিলাম to whom I gave the number. So on that day at about 9 or 10 p.m. he just called me and told me that started that my name is that I I went to your home that day and I think but he stopped. I say that what do you think. No, sir. Yeah, but he did not reply anything. So I cut the call and told to my father that what happened with me. But my father told me that just block block his number, and if he call you again, just don't pick up the call. So I say yes. uh, some months later, when again we need to service our chimney, just we thought one evening, then the next day he called us. Yeah, just the, they just call us. So my father tell him that yeah, come tomorrow at that time. So again they come, they just staring at me and they say nothing. On that day again they message me at about 12:30 a.m. So I did not tell my father anything because yeah, it is silly matter. I think I can handle it. So just this is going on অনেক দিন ধরে চলছিল for long days, but I didn't tell him anything. So yeah, I also enjoying the matter because when he text me another number from another number, yeah, and I just blocked him. I just blocked him. Again, the next morning, I see that another number was same strategy, same style. Yeah. So uh, then one day he just called me and I said him to so many bad words So from that day, he did not call me or message me. From then, the 2 or 3 years passed, left, passed. Uh, then one day, I just started to journey for our school from my home. He just came to our home for no, not for service, for uh, sell aquaguard. So he just came to our home and tell some মানে কি বলবো, yeah, sweet and positive words. Yeah, some basic formalities. So my mother just stood behind him and listening his words. So at the same things, he was staring at me. So one day, I when I first installed Instagram in my phone, some days later I saw him on Instagram. He was clicked a photo with a married woman and posted this in Instagram. So I just took my phone and ran away to my mother and just told the story and saw him saw him the photo. So so hard the photo. So my mother just look at me and just smiled and tell me that they are the boys. So one day, it's uh, about 2024 on the month August. At night, he just messaged me and tell me that I can't forget you and I want to marry you. I really, but I did not say anything, and many words he spoke. So, but I think it's a silly matter. I don't tell my father or mother. So I just forget the messages and some calls. But next day, when we just attending our Vishwakarma Puja in our college, when I was reached in our college, some unknown person called me, and I pick up the phone, and there was a girl. Actually, it is his wife just called me and told me everything that who are you, I saw that my husband messaged you that things. So i I just surprised and I tell him everything because there was no মানে আমার না আমার কোনো ভুল নেই. Yeah, there was nothing to hide. So I tell him everything. I tell her everything. So মানে সে বকেই যাচ্ছিল কি করে বলবো, ইয়া বকেই যাচ্ছিল. Then I just cut the call because he was too much irritating. I feel irritating, so I cut the call and blocked her number. So uh, then the next day he messaged me on Instagram because I blocked her on WhatsApp in my text. So she cannot text me. So he messaged me on Instagram. She she messaged me on Instagram. Again, I blocked her. Then the next day, I and my brothers and my sister was just laying in our bed, and we were just gossiping. So my mother was standing near of our house. She is also gossiping some aunties. So suddenly my mother came to me, মানে ছুটতে চলে এলো, rushed rushed to me and told me that there was a boy who came to our home. He is standing on there from মানে বাড়ির বাইরে in front of our home, and uh, he told to my mother that is it Srija's home. So my mother said that who is Srija? I don't know any Srija. So again he told my mother that is Shruti home. So my mother, no, not confused, because there was a auntie and uncle, and there was a grandmother who called me from that name. So there was this is known name to my mother, that my mother just surprised, just look at him, and again she told that no, I don't know any Shruti. So after মানে ওই দুটো নাম বলার পর, after telling two names, he just rightly said my name. Do you know Purba? So my mother, uh, no, not bound to tell, but there was a auntie. So auntie means bad. So she suddenly tell that boy that yeah, it is her daughter. So my mother came to me and told me why he came here, who is he. So I just did not know him. So I went out from my room and মানে দাঁড়িয়ে দেখছিলাম জানালার পাশে. Yes, I was watching the scenario. The boy told to the auntie that I loved him, I want to marry her, and blah blah blah, many things. So I when my mother again came to me, I told my mother that হচ্ছে মানে এ অলরেডি বিবাহিত. He is already married. I did not know him. Why he came here? So firstly, my mother was angry uh, at me. Yeah, but then when I মানে আমি যখন সব বুঝিয়ে বললাম, when I told her everything, she just understand me and told me that don't lean your face out of the window. So I came back to my room and I called to my maternal uncle that come here, there is a boy, and also he is married and came to our house making some giveaways. So uh, that boy was standing far away from my home, but when he saw me, he just wanted to came to me. Just মানে কিছুক্ষণ পরে, after some moments, the boy came to my room, মানে আমার মানে বাড়িরই পাশে আমার room, close to my room, and just look at me. And I at that time I was feeling embarrassed, I was feeling irritating, all the things I feel. So I just told to him that why you came here. And so he said I love you and I want to marry you. When he said that I want to marry you, I became very angry, and I just told him that মানে যদি উম, মানে যদি তুমি মার না খেতে চাও, if you do not want to be beaten, just go away. So and she just stood there. Sometimes later, what he was thinking, I didn't know. I didn't know what he was thinking. Sometimes later, he just go away. Then my maternal uncle came to our house. So I again সবকিছু বললাম, all the things. from next day মানে আমাদের পাড়ায় আর কি my villagers and my neighbors are too much excited to know the things what was happening with me. And they were became too much happy to yeah um, anytime they were just discussing with some people. And the the topic is that purva. So on that day I called to my father and told him everything. And my father called the serviceman who is the main of their company. And the serviceman gave my father his number. And he told মানে গালাগালি দেওয়া আর কি মানে yeah, my father told him so many slang word after that. But when he pick up the call, he didn't say anything. So my father was just cut the call. But my father spoke many bad things. Then my father cut up the call and told me that some days you মানে বাইরে বেরিও না, do not go out, because if the boy was changed, that was okay. But if he was not changed, yeah, it will be harmful for you. So I agreed with him. And I just don't go our college. And yeah, so for few days that was my topic. Thank you.